Hello, myself Sahil Raj. I am student of IIT Madras in the branch of Electronic Systems. This is my ID card. Let's go. Analog lamp, which is ramp generator. In this experiment, we are going to use two IC MCP6004 and LM339. So let's start this experiment. Now coming on the simulation part on LT Spice, we had used the input supply resistors and capacitors to generate a ramp wave signals. The ramp signal is generated using an op-amp, integrator and schematic trigger. We will simulate the circuit and measure the resulting waveform to verify the desired expression and absorb the effects of component. Component used are op-amp MCP6004 and comparator LM339. The pull-up resistor capacitor 10 nanofarad. Resistors R1 is equal to 25 kilo ohm, R2 is equal to 5 kilo ohm, R3 is equal to 1 kilo ohm. Now we measure the wave. Here we converting square wave into triangular wave. Here we obtain triangular wave. As you can see, triangular wave is showing. Now I am going to show you my circuit on a breadboard. This is my circuit on a breadboard which is connected to ADLM 1000. We are using 5 pins of ADLM, channel A 2.5 volt, ground 5 volt and channel B. The purple one is the channel A which is connected to the output of LM339. The top IC is LM339 and the lower one is MCP600R. And 2.5 volt is connected to both the IC. As you can see here, green one is 2.5 volt is connected to both the IC. The black one is a ground which is connected to this rail, and or red one is a 5 volt which is connected to this rail, and a channel B orange one is connected to the MCP6004 IC. And you can see here the top resistor is of 25 kilo ohm. This one is 25 kilo ohm, and this resistor is of 1 kilo ohm. The middle one, the green one, is of 5 kilo ohm, and the lower one is of 1 kilo ohm. And this capacitor is of 10 microfarad, as you can see.